Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyian and this is Kyian by Design, my channel where I post DIY home and lifestyle content. If you are new here, I would really love if you would subscribe for things like DIY videos, thrift shopping vlogs, room makeovers, anything and everything like that. And the reason I'm making this video today is because of a big life change that's happening. And that is that we are actually moving. So Sam and I's roommate, who you've seen in a couple videos before, is actually going to be moving out to go to school at the end of this month. So as a result, Sam and I are also going to be moving. We found a new place that we got approved for recently, and it's going to be great for us. So this is really one of the last videos that you guys are going to be seeing taking place in this apartment. It's a little hard for me to think about because we moved into this apartment at a very difficult moment in our lives and in our relationship. And then of course we moved in here just before the pandemic happened. So we've lived through all of that in these four walls, not to mention all the love that went into transforming this living space and creating an office. Those are things that I'm really gonna miss about this house. And not to mention, we really feel like we've curated a really nice, queer-friendly and affirming home here, which is something that we've always dreamed about doing and something that brings me a lot of joy, especially thinking about it during Pride Month, that not every queer person has a space like the one that we've created here in this house. It makes me feel incredibly lucky, and I really wish that other people get the chance to have what we have. And this isn't the end of that. We're still gonna bring that type of energy and love to the new space. And of course, I'm going to document the entire thing from packing to the moving in to the decorating. You know, I'm not gonna pass up on an opportunity to decorate and share it with you guys. I've already started putting together some boxes. Sam is on his way home from a family trip to see his grandmother in Arizona, and he will be joining me on the packing very shortly. Coco, are you excited about the new house? Yeah. We're gonna go to a new house just for you. All right, but enough procrastinating. We moved in less than a week and have started nothing, so I'm gonna get started on putting some stuff away. Hey y'all, so look who's home. Hi. I have a packing partner. We're actually gonna start tackling the office. Sadly, I'm gonna start seeing it slowly come apart. With all the hard work we put into it, it's gonna be hard to see it go, and I'm really gonna miss having a space like this in our new place, but I know I'll have some type of creative space. But we've got a lot of work to do, as you can see. So let's get packing. So it's another day of packing to move, and we've just been informed by our landlord that we have prospective tenants who want to come tour the unit. It's in a bit of disarray. So we think what we're gonna do is focus on cleaning out the entire office so that this can be somewhere we can keep all the boxes so they're out of the way for the people who want to just come tour the rest of the apartment. Good morning, guys. So we got most of the stuff that we have packed so far into what was the office area before this visit. It took us all day yesterday. It was a little overwhelming, to be completely honest, and this whole process honestly is a little bit stressful. I'm sure some of you can probably relate. Moving is not the most fun thing to do when you're trying to meet deadlines and like make sure that everything is perfect. But also, while we were cleaning up, I also collected a couple of bags of things I want to donate to Goodwill. So I'll probably end up taking those at some point today. But yeah, that's it for now. I will check in later. So I'm at my local Goodwill right now. I just dropped off a ton of donations because we do need to downsize. We are moving into a smaller apartment than the one we're currently in, and just some stuff that I didn't feel like we needed anymore. But I'm gonna go inside because I can't come to a Goodwill and not look around. So I'm gonna go see what's inside. I am back from Goodwill. Didn't really see much of anything I needed to pick up. There was some cute stuff, but it was a little bit overpriced. But at least I got those donations out of our hands, and it's a few less things that we need to transport to the new place. So now I am just chilling out here with little Coco. Say hi, bud. Are we just chilling? Yeah, it's chill time. It's very hot. All right, I'm gonna go so I can turn on the AC until I have to go to a work appointment in about an hour. So I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit because it's been a long 24 hours of packing and doing other moving things. We just got the keys. We decided to take down the shelf unit. We'd have a bit of an incident.